Lancer with software on it. After 3 years, we're back at the place and we're doing Shawnee's Lancer now. Let's see what it sounds like. We all know what it sounds like before the time. Let's see what it sounds like now. Here it is. First start without a cat. Okay, there it is. Tips on. Looks good. Sounds good. Now let's go get it cleaned and then go for a drive. Let's see the smile on his face there. No, on the phone.
Yeah, fuck. Yeah. Girlie gon' fuck me like I'm dumb. She only love me for my car. I swear she gonna leave, that's bizarre. Yeah. Bleeding out, never been enough. My girlie gon' fuck me like I'm dumb. She only love me for my car. I swear she gonna leave, that's bizarre. Yeah. Bleeding out, never been enough.
Let's have a look, see the first look at it. Oh jeez. Actually, I don't think it's going to be that bad. That's going to look quite nice. Hey, let's have a look at it. And that's all you're gonna get. We'll wait for him to come to Ganubi to see the rest.
Ja.
Actually looks very nice. Look at that. Right. Turn around. Yeah, no, it suits it. Yeah, it suits it. Much better. Look at that. Oh. Mine missing one headlight and one fucking license plate light. Need to fix it. Oh, the new wheels look fresh. We need some light on the situation. Yeah, look at that. Oh. And the studs are not.